Hello and welcome to Keto Eats, your source for delicious keto recipes. Today I have another keto milkshake for you, a Keto Shamrock shake. I love this one. So you're going to start by grabbing a mason jar, or a cup if you don't have a mason jar. I find the mason jar makes it very easy to shake it up at the end. You're going to add some Himalayan pink salt, some liquid stevia, some vanilla extract, and some mint extract. Be careful not to overdo it with the mint. It could come out tasting like toothpaste. Then you're going to add the last ingredient, some heavy cream. Then you just shake it up, or stir if you used it in a regular glass. And that's it. Simple as that. For exact ingredient amounts, and to check out more delicious keto recipes, click the link below. Thank you for visiting my channel, and enjoy.